Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is beef noodles with Hosin sauce. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. First we prepare the beef. Simply put the beef, sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of corn flour into a bowl and mix together. Next we prepare the hoisin sauce. Simply put the hoisin sauce, soy sauce and rice wine with the remaining corn flour into a bowl and mix together. We cook in this dish in 2 separate portions, so use half the ingredients for each portion. When you're ready to cook, you need to prepare the wok. Simply put the wok on the heat until it's smoking, remove from the heat and add the cold oil, 2 tablespoons. Then when it's cooled down a bit, put it back on the heat and bring up the temperature. This will help the food not to stick to the wok. And when the wok's back up to temperature, it's time to start cooking. To do this, simply add the beef into the pan until it sizzles and stir it round. After the beef starts to take on a bit of colour, add the garlic, chilli and ginger to the pan and mix through. Next it's the turn of the spring onions and onions. Add them to the wok and mix through. Continue to stir fry for 2 or 3 minutes, moving the ingredients around the pan, and it's time to add the noodles. We're using the ready to cook noodles for this recipe simply because it's easier and quicker. After the noodles are thoroughly heated through, it's time to add the Hosin sauce. Just simply pour over the top and mix in, continuing to move around the wok all the time. When the Hosin sauce is thoroughly mixed in and the ingredients are piping hot, it's off to serve. Hope you enjoyed this quick and tasty recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and maybe we'll see you soon again sometime. Bye for now.